So how do you enable the developer mode on Android? Let's get started. So the developer mode is like a different layer of control which is accessed or given to you when you enable the developer mode. A lot of times you may need this to access some deeper settings, but in order to enable it, you need to open the settings app of your phone, and then entirely at the bottom you have a section called about this phone. So you need to tap on it to get inside of this section. So obviously here you can see all of the things like the device name and model number and everything, but I want you to click on the software information. So it might more or less look similar on your phone. So click on software information and then locate the build number. Then you can tap on the build number multiple different times in a row. So when I start clicking on it a few times, it gives me, a little countdown at the bottom that is telling me that I'm getting close to the developer mode. So you have to tap it like 7 times to enable it. I know it's a bit unconventional. It's not like there is one button to enable the developer mode. You have to go in here and tap the build number 7 times. But yeah, this is how it works. And after you do this, more settings will appear in the main settings menu. So at the bottom entirely, you'll find a developer mode and some different developer settings, which can be tweaked directly right there. So that's it. That's how you can enable the developer mode on Android. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.